So whether or not there will be a Galaxy Note in the future is still up for debate. There were rumors that Samsung will be pulling the plug on the Galaxy Note series following reports that the Galaxy S series will be getting support for the S Pen. But recently, a Samsung official anonymously said to a website that the rumors aren't exactly true. There will be a Galaxy Note in 2021. So the Note fans were happy and things were back to normal. Until IceUniverse decides to tweet this a couple of days ago that Samsung has pulled the curtain on the Galaxy Note series. The tweet shows a picture that reads "The End" with a caption "The Galaxy Note," which basically means the end of the Galaxy Note. Honestly, I wasn't gonna make a video on this topic since reports have been flip-flopping quite a lot on this topic. One day a report says they're ending the Galaxy Note, and a couple of days later there comes another report debunking the earlier report. But since a lot of you were asking me about my opinions on this and whether or not they're actually ending the Galaxy Note, and if yes, then what about that Samsung executive who said they're not ending the Galaxy Note line? Well, I have some updates on this. Samsung actually responded to the story with a statement where they're saying they're still committed to the Galaxy Note lineup. They said, and I quote, "Samsung made a bold decision to expand the S Pen experience as an option for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, where users can enjoy one of the most popular and preferred features of our Note category. But it does not mean that Samsung is not committed to the Note category, but is expanding the Note experience across device categories. To provide the best mobile experience to all consumers, we'll actively listen to consumers' feedback and reflect it in our continued product innovation." So basically, they're not answering in a simple yes or no manner, and that could be a business strategy so that people don't wait for the Galaxy Note 21 and get the Galaxy S21 Ultra instead to increase its sales. But in the grand scheme of things, the statement basically says that Samsung is still committed to the Note lineup, which is a good indication. Now there's one more possibility though. Ross Young says Samsung might not launch the Galaxy Note 21 or Ultra, but instead will launch the fan edition of the Galaxy Note 20 later this year, called the Galaxy Note 20 FE. Galaxy S20 FE was an instant success for Samsung as it offered an amazing bang for the buck and enjoyed a positive reception from Galaxy fans, so it makes sense for Samsung to repeat that with the Galaxy Note 20 FE. Honestly, we'll have to wait for at least a couple of months before we know for sure whether or not they're actually making the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra. Of course, with that being said, let me know what you think about this down in the comments, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow.